If Windows 11 feels a little too bloated for your liking, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to create a lightweight, de-bloated Windows 11 ISO using a free tool called Tiny11 Builder. Whether you're building a minimal system for an old PC or just want better performance, this video will guide you step by step. Tiny11 is a modified version of Windows 11 created by NTDEV. It removes unnecessary apps, services, and background processes, making it perfect for older hardware, virtual machines, users who hate bloatware, and systems with low storage. Under 10 gigabytes. Best of all, it's still fully updatable and secure. To get started, download a Windows 11 ISO that matches your computer's edition and language. You can get it from the official Microsoft website or by using the Media Creation tool. Next, mount your Windows 11 ISO. Just right-click it and choose Mount. You'll see a new virtual drive with the contents. Take note of the drive letter. Mine says Drive F. Now head to the GitHub page for Tiny11 Builder. Download or clone the repository to your computer. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Tiny11 is a third-party modification. While it's widely used, always download it from the official source. Now, extract the archived file into any folder you like. I will just extract it here in the Downloads folder myself. Once you've extracted the Tiny11 Builder files, open the folder. You will find two scripts. Both Tiny11 Maker and Tiny11 Core Maker are scripts created by NTDev to generate lightweight versions of Windows 11, but they have different goals and levels of stripping down. The Tiny11 Maker script create a general-purpose lightweight Windows 11 ISO that works well for most users, including desktop and productivity use. It does not alter critical components like Windows Update, Windows Recovery, or Windows Security. It keeps enough components for a fully usable desktop experience. The Tiny11 Core Maker script creates an ultra-minimal, bare-bones Windows 11 ISO intended for advanced users, kiosks, embedded systems, or lab experiments. Removes nearly everything non-essential. No Microsoft Store, no Defender, no extra services or user interface components. Barely enough to boot and run very basic apps. Creates a drastically smaller ISO and footprint. Right-click on the Windows icon and then open PowerShell as admin. Next, run this command to allow PowerShell scripts to execute in the terminal. Next, right-click on your preferred script and click on Run in PowerShell. Remember I said take note of the drive letter for the mounted image. This is where you use it. Type the letter and press the Enter key. The process has started. It will take a bit of time to finish copying. Select the necessary additions such as Home, Professional, Professional N, or whichever you need, and press Enter. The image conversion process has begun. Remember, Tiny11 Maker is not a piracy tool. It won't activate Windows for you. You'll still need a valid Windows 10 or 11 product key to activate your system. Be sure to choose the SKU that matches your license. You might encounter some errors, just ignore them. The image is now ready. Press Enter to exit. You will find a ready-for-use ISO file that you can write to any USB drive using apps like Rufus or Ventoy. You will find the image in the same folder as the Tiny11 Maker files. Let me install it on my virtual box just now. As you can see, you now have a bloatware-free Windows 11. You also have a stripped-down Windows 11 image that works on unsupported PCs and consumes fewer resources than the vanilla version. And that's it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Windows tips. You can still install apps like normal, and Windows Update works for security patches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.